Hello friends and welcome to my little kitchen. I'm Sayuri. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll be making garlic bread and paneer grilled sandwiches. So let's begin.
Let's take some butter, to which I'll be adding crushed garlic, some coriander leaves, just 2 pinch of salt because butter already has salt, and 2 pinches of chili flakes. Let's give it a nice mix. Now take the bread on one side. Let's apply the garlic butter. Now I'm adding the filling. And then we are going to grill it. We'll be putting the garlic butter side down, and we'll be again applying some garlic butter on the top side. Now let's grill it till it's golden brown in color.
Let's open it. Wow, the smell and it looks so good. Now we will be cutting the sandwich. Just look at that, it looks so yummy. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you'll be able to watch newly posted videos. Also, please follow us on Instagram. Hope you like watching this. See you next time. Bye!